Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Tinder for beginners. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, you simply have to first of all open up your Tinder app right there in your mobile phone. Once you have done that, this is how it's gonna appear. You're simply gonna first tap on got it for our mode, and now you're simply gonna skip this. And now we will be able to get the profiles right over here. Again, we can choose to simply swipe to our left, you can see, which is simply nope, rejecting. If we swipe to our right, that means we are interested in that person. Once they also do the same with our profile, if you have same mutual interest, we will be a match and we will be able to text each other out and right over here. So that is the process, and the people that I have matched will be simply shown over here. I can tap on any profile link and I can simply chat with them. If I go to this section here, I will be able to get the more of the what to explore right over here. I can go ahead explore that out as well. Other than that, I can go over here, simply check out Tinder's offers and who have likes, how many likes I've got. If I go to this section, I will be able to chat, and now this will be my profile where I will be able to tap on this edit pencil icon where I will be able to edit out all my accounts and the settings icon given on top, from where I will be able to get my profile's information and even delete and deactivate my account. So that is the how you can use the features. If you have a specific question regarding any of the feature of Tinder, let us know in the comments below and we'll let you know further. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.